Good morning, students. Today we will learn about biogeochemical cycle. At first, when you look at this term biogeochemical, it sounds fancy. But if you break the word biogeochemical, it is nothing but the chemical exchange between living organism, that is biotic, and the geographical elements of the earth such as soil, rock, air and water. So, in simple terms, it is the cyclic movement of chemical elements between the biotic and non biotic compounds of the environment. If I had to explain with an example, what are the essential elements that are present in the environment that determines life on earth? Can you think of them? Water, H2O. It's important, right? Oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. are some of the essential elements that determine life on earth. Now just think of your body. You have DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. It contains nitrogen molecules. Then your body needs amino acids, which are essential nutrients for your body to function. And amino acid contains carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, etc. Your bones contains phosphorus. Phosphorus helps maintain healthy bones. If you look at carbon, it is a basic building block to most cells in our body. Carbon is one of the most essential element in our body. It helps with cellular respiration, which our body releases energy stored in glucose, and glucose compound is composed of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. There are many essential chemicals for life like hydrogen, sodium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, iron, copper, zinc, sulfur, chlorine, etc. These chemicals are found in rock, air, soil and water. But we don't eat rock and soil directly to have these chemicals in our body. Rather, these chemicals from the environment goes through a process and turns into food. We have learned about these processes in the ecosystem and food chain. How one organism eat another from for food and energy. That is how energy get transformed from one form to another, while some of the energy get lost in the process. These essential chemicals get recycled, and if you see, most of these chemicals were present during the initial time when Earth was formed. Hence, we call them as essential chemicals. These chemicals undergo a process and turn into food, and that's how our body functions, and we have these chemicals replenished within us. After we die, all these chemicals are turned to environment, air, soil, and water through decomposition. So, this entire cycle of movement of chemicals between biotic and abiotic components of environment is known as the biogeochemical cycle. The cyclic flow of nutrients within an ecosystem is called the biogeochemical cycle.